Yeah, we're going now.
Hvor snack hunt.
Yes. Gonna hunt for some damn snacks.
Monday.
Yeah, it's Monday, and we're hunting for snacks before dinner time.
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah. Basically, when we get home, it's dinner time. So.
Yes. Why am I not using your phone? See you later on this phone.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to take some pictures. This is how it just giving some light. Go to our Instagram page to see this.
Yeah. No, we make it creepy. Creepy potatoes.
This is the. Yeah, we'll still need the light.
Potatoes.
It's the cream potatoes. Pretty good. And we wanted to go for some squash today. Orange soda. Stop. So
yeah.
There's nothing on the television.
No, only light. So yeah, we don't really have anything to watch.
I knew you were gonna go for that.
I still need the light, you know. Like, this is not set up at all.
I think I need to hold it. And then we have to be like.
Yeah, because I can clearly see something.
Like this. Like this.
So fabulous. So right now, all we're going to do is 8, 8, and 8, and see if we can find something to watch. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. It is Tuesday, and we are going to make cinnamon rolls.
And a billion other things. I have a to-do list as long as my arm. And you haven't done your to-do list in 2 days or something, so I guess yours is as long as a leg. But I'm gonna do these cinnamon rolls now. So get cracking on that.
So, how far in the process are we?
We are in the dough making process.
This dough surely looks delicious.
Added active yeast and milk, sugar, salt, and I used oil because we don't have so much butter.
Okay. Active yeast. What is the difference between normal and active yeast?
Well, to us, active yeast is normal yeast. Dry yeast would be, I think, the most used. I'm not sure. Like, it's those little packages, like 50 grams or something of yeast. That's the normal yeast in Denmark, but I think that's like not so normal. I don't know. I need to add 300 grams of flour. This is sticking there.
Holy shit. Super much flour.
Did you say flour or flour?
I say flour.
I would say flour.
Sometimes I say flour. I say everything, man. What?
You can open the claw.
Oh my god, it's double. Anyway, set the dough to raise now. Does not look like much yet, but it hopefully will.
We also only had for half a portion, but it should still be like 12. So.
Yeah, we can eat 12, no problem. There we go. Just before you were making the dough, what are we making now?
Now for actually the important stuff of a cinnamon bun.
Oh, is it all the grease?
The grease inside.
Yeah. All that greasy stuff.
This is cinnamon, then we have butter, and then we have brown sugar.
Yes. We're gonna mix it all together. Oh my god. Just listen. No, it didn't give much of a sound this time. Damn it! The sound of butter hitting the plate is the best. Oh. The best!
Oh, that was actually 50 grams.
I was just about to say, did you get too much now?
Yeah, 1 gram.
Did you get too much of that now?
need equal amounts of these.
Oh, that's good.
And then we need 2 teaspoons, but people in the comments said that it wasn't close enough. So we may have
No,
to
2 teaspoons doesn't seem like enough at all. It seems like the legal amount. And we do not go by the legal amount.
Fuck EU and their stupid cinnamon regulations.
Exactly.
Legislation.
Like if I was actually good at making stuff like this, I would be so
would be
fat
fat.
by now.
Yeah.
So fat. Oh my god. Beginning to look a lot like buns.
I feel like there should have been more butter in here.
More butter, more better. Is this what they call the chill before the storm? How long is your list? Is that your list? Oh my god. That's one long list. Poor honey. Cry for the camera. They see you rolling. They hating.
You're gonna say that every time we fix something.
Yeah. Oh my god, now the light comes from the opposing side. We're being ambushed, honey.
Yeah, our apartment's not good for
Nah.
locking.
I can only do it from this, so enjoy Julie's ear.
No! Don't block my inner ear.
It was not even your inner ear. It's like the back of your ear. Normal. We gotta spread this out over all of this dough.
What?
No, honey, you're standing perfectly. When you're standing there, there's no light coming into the camera. And when you move a little bit, there's light everywhere. Ah! You're killing my shots. You're killing it. No. No. No.
I don't know how I'm supposed to stand.
Like that. Dum. Dun, dun, dun. Now it's being rolled up. Julie is the rollmeister. Oh my god. There we go. Very nice roll. And this fucking camera won't focus at all. Here we go. These are our cinnamon rolls that I can't focus on. Nice. They're gonna get butchered. Oh my god, you're actually doing it nice.
Then it looks way better.
Holy moly. That actually looks super good.
Actually.
Yeah. Actually.
Bitch, please.
We finished making the cinnamon rolls. Julie's hiding. We're in the bedroom.
I'm very sad today.
Yeah. Julie's very sad because
Fucking aces.
fuck aces. They shit. Right?
I'm gonna call them, I'm gonna yell at them very, very long time.
Yeah. Usually we send her PC in for repairs. It's been 2 weeks and they haven't even fucking
They
sent
haven't
us a
even
mail.
bothered looking at it.
No.
Until today.
Exactly. Yeah, they haven't even looked at it yet. Apparently.
That's...
We finished these. They're looking damn fine.
And then we eat.
Yeah, we ate quite a lot, as you can see. Oops.
I'm not even gonna say oops, because we didn't have any breakfast, so
Nah.
that's not breakfast.
That's true, actually. We
And
haven't eaten anything.
1:30 now,
that-
so
Anyway, we're gonna go out shopping.
need some stuff for lasagna, and it's very cold today.
Yes. Dear penguin. We're back home. Julie is texting her mom. We went shopping and we got ourselves some baking stuffs, butter and sugar, Brown sugar. Got some milk, some oil, and oops, some chili nuts. Tomato paste, as well as mozzarella and some eggs and onions. And Julie got herself a little pair of candy right over there. I'll be in charge of editing vlogs today.
But you also said you would edit these vlogs 2 days ago.
Yeah, but then complications arose.
Yes.
And those were not my fault.
The fact that you don't have a spine.
No, that was not the complication.
Usually is.
The complication was that we found some other files on Julie's phone.
Yeah.
Which were part of the vlog.
We forget that we once in a while use my phone if your phone is like dead of battery or if I'm home by myself or something.
So we found a lot of files.
So we need to incorporate those, but that's how it is.
Yeah.
Can we eat some more?
Yes, let's eat! No. Hop. Yummy, 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 right?
I would say though, I don't think I would do 50-50 butter and powdered sugar ratio. Bit more butter.
More butter, more better.
But they're good. Go make them for yourself.
We'll include the recipe in the description.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If this video gets 100 likes, we'll put it in the description.
Okay.
Or if you say pretty please in the comment.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
But right now, we also have to do some cookies. Did I mention that earlier?
I don't
remember. But I'm gonna make some cookies because Tisp's parents are coming over in the weekend on Friday. And these cookies, they need to stay in the fridge for quite a while. So I'm gonna do them today and then they just have to stay in the fridge and then they get super good. And there is an English recipe and we will link that recipe. And it's the best fucking chocolate chip cookies ever.
Alright. Da-da-dum. Big bag of cookie dough.
This one is ready for the fridge now.
Yep. Now it'll be exciting whether we're making cookies or just eating the dough.
The dough is so good and it's so tempting when it's in the fridge.
Yep. So it's gonna be hard.
It's Friday. Gotta get down on Friday.
Yup.
Oops, we've got vlog.
Forgot. Wednesday and Thursday we were totally smashed, both of us.
It was also like, we recorded so much Tuesday, so.
Yeah.
You know. But this is the last lasagna.
Of that huge portion that we made.
We made 2 portions. Did we even show that?
I had no idea.
I'm not sure if we did.
Nah.
But
we made 2 big portions.
You're going to uni now.
Yep.
And I have to get this house somewhat fixed for...
Not much to fix.
No. But then I also have to, like... I also have to set the table and...
Oh yeah.
Bake...
With the fixing.
Yeah, bake cookies and...
Yes, because cookies are needed.
And I did put one in your...
Yes. I'm bringing one cookie.
So we did a few yesterday so we could have some.
Yep. We did.
Oh, it's nice that you find that after I started the dishwasher. Come here.
I'll clean when I get home.
Yeah. You're gonna do a load of stuff when you get home.
Yes.
Procrastination.
No. There was no procrastination.
Well, did we tell why we were cleaning up? It's because just parents and siblings are coming over.
Yeah.
Tonight. And we're gonna do the Nando's chicken. The spatchcock chicken with Nando's sauce on.
Chicken.
And we should go back and watch our old vlog with that. Because I'm not sure if I'll have time to vlog.
No idea when we made that vlog even actually.
No.
We might include a link to that in the description when we find it.
But other than that, well, we're just gonna have that and some snacks, basically.
Yes.
Cookies and chips and candy and stuff.
You might see a bit later on, like what we're making. But other than that, there's not much more in this vlog.
So say...
We'll say see you in the weekend vlog, and we're not going to start the weekend vlog in 5 minutes. No, not happening.
Oh, well, happy weekend. And then you're just turning the back.
What?
Happy weekend.
Happy weekend.